Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So for this one, we have s squared everything to the power of 2. Number 4, that's about 2 to the power of 2. We see that this is about a squared minus b squared. So we can apply this formula in here. So this one divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So we will have about 1 over the square root of s squared minus 2 plus 1 over the square root of s squared plus 2. Now I will go to the first one in here. So I will use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 2 cos t. Because if I put this one go in here, you will have about 2 cos t squared. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Cos t squared minus 1, we got about sin t squared. And later that, we simplify the square root and ds. ds, we have the square root of number 2, sin t dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds, we change by this one. This one, we have 2 cos t squared. Number 2, we can do about factorization. And this one, we got about sin t squared. The square root of sin t squared, you got about sin t. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. This one you got about t plus c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. So about t, we have a cos of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we do the similar for the square root of s squared plus 2. But I did just change everything in here into positive. Now this one we need to change in sin t. This one should be about sin t. And this one too. So this one you got about cos t. Now if we put this one go in here, you got about 2 sin t squared. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Sin t squared plus 1, you got about cos t squared. Now we combine the answer this one and this one. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.